Everybody, my name is Mandel, and this is
Melody.
and welcome to Nerftastic. And this is a channel where we're gonna be unboxing and reviewing our favorite Nerf guns that have come out. And also today we're gonna be unboxing not only a Nerf gun, but
Angry Bird drone.
Angry Bird drone. So it's a special day with a special lady and her dad. Well, we're going to be unboxing these things for you guys. But before we get into that, we want to send a special shout out to our sponsor of this video, which is our friends at One Up Games, where they specialize in retro games, which is Nintendo, the Sega Genesis, Xbox, PlayStations, you name it, they specialize in it. Okay, now they're located in Mesa, Arizona, between Alma School and Baseline, and also they do have a podcast called Get a Life Podcast. So you guys go down there and get on YouTube, check them out. We definitely thank you. They did sponsor this video and actually get us this. Nick went ahead and got this for us. This gun, not the drone, but the gun. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox the first thing, which is the drone. So let's go ahead and get an unboxing of that. Okay, you guys. All right, you guys. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox this right here. So let's go ahead and unbox that. Mel, you get that side. I'll get this side. You got it? Oh, whoa. All right, already want to get away from us. So let's do that. And open it. All right. So, if you guys can already see, it comes with the instructions. Angry Bird instructions. Also, it comes with the controller. Angry Bird controller, you guys. You see that? Also, a USB memory stick for your, for the, videos, because it does come with a camera attached to it.
And some wings.
Some extra propellers. Okay, good job. And also, it does come with a rechargeable battery. If we can get that out of here. All right. So it comes with the rechargeable battery and the drone itself. Now,
if you know this character, put a thumbs up. And if you know it, put a comment down below. And if you like the video, put a thumbs up.
If you know that character from the Angry Birds, I don't know who it is, so you guys can help us with that. So we definitely want to let you know about this. So as you can see, it does come with a camera right here. Okay, 4 propellers. Okay, this drone did come out, I believe, this year, and it's fairly new. I got it for $20 off for a guy from Facebook, but I believe you can get this on Amazon or wherever drones are sold. So you can definitely get that. We will be flying it after this unboxing. So that's pretty much it. The one thing I just got to let you guys know about this, it does only give you 8 minutes of flying time, and after which the rechargeable battery does get fully charged in 35 minutes. So now in no time you can get back out there flying your drone there. So with that being said, let's go ahead and put this up, set it to the side. So we'll be going outside to fly it in a minute there. Huh? Yeah, I gotta show her how to fly it. Yeah. So let's go ahead and get into the main event of the evening in just a few seconds. Alright, you guys, now we're going to get into the meat and potatoes of everything. The main event, the Nerf Zombie Strike doominator. Okay? This right here came out in fall of 2015. It was a great gun, met by positive reviews. So let's go ahead and unbox this. Honey, if you can help me, go ahead. You pull that, I pull this. There we are. And bam! Okay. There it is. Alright. Now this thing says it comes with 4 rotating rotating drums, when they flip, okay, they actually flip. When you're done with one, you flip to the next one. You get 4 of them. This gives you 24 shots. Okay, comes with 24 darts, 4 flipping drums, and the gun itself. So let's go ahead and get into
24.
Yep, 24. There it is right there. Also, the gun itself, 2 drums that come detached, and also 2 that's already attached in the drum, and the gun itself. So let's go ahead and I'm about to get this out. So let's go ahead and get it out, and to the magic of YouTube, it's out. Magic, right? So gonna go ahead and assemble this. See how you do it here. What's that? Okay. All right. Like that. And I'll go down like that. That goes on like that. Boom. You see that? That is awesome. Mel, look at this. Look at this. Come here. See? And also,
I can do it.
and also it comes with this screw looking thing to where you can actually, it's a prime action, so you can put it pretty much everywhere. You can put it under here. You can actually put it under the blaster. So let's see.
That took a long time to do.
Yep. You put it under the blaster. You see that? Let's see if it's somehow. Oh, it does. Yep. Also, yeah, it goes all the way around. So if you don't like that, which it was slamming into my finger, you can do like that. Bam. Yeah. So, gonna go ahead and load this baby up. Like I said, this thing has 1, 2, just 2 sling mounts. We're gonna go ahead and load this up. As you can see, she's already doing here, and we're gonna do a firing test before we fire the drone. So 1 moment. Now Melody is gonna shoot the gun. Go ahead, Mel.
I can't.
You can't.
I don't know if it's or anything.
Is it too heavy?
No. I can't do it.
You can't?
No.
So as you guys can see, Melody, she's only 6, and that's a little bit too rough for her to handle. So this is for I think ages what is it? Oh, she got it. 8 and up.
I just
So,
shooted it.
oh, you just shot it?
Uh-huh.
Oh. I hope I got that on camera. Did you shoot it?
Yeah.
All right, shoot it again, Mama.
It was not like cooked back.
Oh, okay. All right. All right. Show them the flip. How to flip the turrets. The not the turrets, but the drums.
So first, you see these 2 things right here. You pick your 2 fingers in, and then.
All right. Yep.
Oh,
So I want to try. So let me go ahead and try it. Uh-oh. Man, that was quick. That's all 25, you guys. Yeah. And to me, I wouldn't want to do it that way. They all want to come from down here, but I don't know. You know, if it's just me, if I just have a thing about my hand getting too close. Yeah, I wouldn't want to do it like that. Alright. So, that's how that fires, you guys. Yeah. We already fired all 25 of them.
But not me.
Yes, you did.
No, I didn't.
So, we're going to go outside and fly the drone. That's what we're going to do. So, come outside and meet us outside, you guys, okay?
I'm going to take it.
Come on.
I will take the things we need, okay?
Alright.
I'm not going to take the whole thing.
She's going to go outside.
We don't need... How do we take
Alright, you guys, we're going to go ahead and fly this drone here. I haven't had any practice with this thing, so hopefully we can get it right the first time. I'm scared and terrified. Just to let you guys know. Alright. Alright, so they're pairing, it looks like. Alright. Okay. Alright, look at that.
Daddy, come follow me with this. If you let go.
Woo! Oh.
Daddy, what did you do?
Okay. Oh my God, we're gonna have to take two of that. We gotta take two. All right, take two. This. All right, let's just start that.
Really, Daddy?
Okay. I'm gonna try it. I'm scared as hell. That's probably why. Now, when you bring it, leave it up on the sidewalk.
Go up.
Oh my God, we're still trying to get a hang of this thing. There's a way that you can record on here. You can see you can press the video. That's video, and also photos. You can take photos. We're gonna try that out, but no one can see you. No one can see you, man. You're so close. We're gonna try that out and try and post some pictures of us actually flying it. But as you can see, we tried it. I'm gonna have Melody try to do it. All right, so I'll. Oh. No. Wait.